can't believe this. Mayonnaise with just 3 ingredients in less than 2 minutes. Next time you run out of mayonnaise, there's no need for you to rush to the grocery store. The items you have at home will do. You just need lemon, eggs, and olive oil. So add it up together and then go ahead and blend. In this video I used olive oil and sesame seed oil just for some added flavor. So here I used 2 eggs, a tablespoon of lemon, and oil. Remember, you can use any oil of your choice. And here it is. This is my homemade mayonnaise with just 3 ingredients in less than 2 minutes. It is very easy to make and it is also very delicious. You don't want to miss out on this. Now let me tell you, it's not everything that you need to buy. There are some things that you can make for yourself, and believe me, it will taste just as good as the one you buy from the grocery store. This mayonnaise tasted so good and so delicious. It is good for your salad, it is good for your bread, it is good for whatever you want to use it for. For me, I usually use mayonnaise on salad, and that is what I'm using it for here. And believe me, this tasted so good. You wouldn't even be able to differentiate it from the one you buy from the store. So friends, this is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day. God bless and bye bye.